Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, likes, and watch this video. This is Math Academic Knowledge. This is my video number 16. I know some of you have already increased their knowledge to watch this video. Okay, in order you to pass the board exam or math exam or college entrance test, what will you do? All you have to do is to read properly as much as possible, scrutinize everything, the vocabulary words, see to it that you have a lot of books, download from everything from the book page, Facebook group, and so on. Number 3, if you want to take the board exam, especially if you are math majors, at the same time engineering, you have also your calculator. Whenever you have already your exam, see to it that you have a proper calculator. It can be a calculator. So if it will happen, so on, it will not happen. If happen, there is not other functioning, at least you have also 2 sets of calculator. Number 3, you should have at least 2 to 3 pencils required by the Philippine Registered Commission. And number 4, when you shade properly, see to it that you shade it properly for the whole, not only for the portion, because the machine will not answer that, so that you can be accurate in answering. See to it that if you want to erase it properly. Do not erase twice or more, because if you will erase that so much or too much erase for that, maybe the machine will invalid that. Okay, let's try to proceed for 154. Again, this is my 154. Find the equation of center containing negative 4 and 3 and the center negative 4 and 2. Find the value for the H and K. So what will you do, guys, is just let's get the value for the H and K. Okay, what will be the value for the H and K? Okay, guys, let's get the value for the H and K. We know that the H of K has a formula for x minus h squared plus y minus k squared and then r squared. And our H and K is 4 and 2 and then x and y, negative 4 and then negative 3. So let's try to substitute in this value. So again, we have negative 4 minus 4 squared, and then y minus k will be negative 3 minus 2, and then r squared is equals to r squared. So how will you do that? This will become negative 8 squared plus this will become negative 5 squared is equals to r squared. So this will become 8 times 8 will become 64 plus 25, and then we will have the value of 9. This will become 89. So this will be our r squared. And then how do we get our general equation? So again, let's have substitute for this one. So our r squared will be, and we will proceed for the h and k. How do we get for the h of k? If we know that our r squared will become, what will be the value? 89. This is just only a continuation. X minus h plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. And then after that, substitute x minus 4 squared plus y minus k, y minus 2. We have the 2 squared and then 89 And then after that, we will expand x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 89. So what will you do is to compress everything. X squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 4y, and then after that plus 16 plus 4 transpose 89, this will become 89 is equals to 0, and then x squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 4y, and the answer is negative 69 is equals to 0. So our answer for our finding the equation is letter A. So what will you do is to first get the r squared using for the formula for this one, then substitute and expand x minus 4 squared and then y minus k. Then after that, proceed for the equation. So this will be the general form equation of a circle. Okay, this is 154. Okay, compute 155. Compute the angle between the line 2y minus 9x minus 18 is equals to 0. So, what will you do in order to get this one? First, you need to get the y is equals to mx plus b. So, how do we get the solution in order to get the x-axis or the tangent? So, first, we need to 2y. Let's have the solution. 2y minus 9x minus 18 is equals to 0. In order to get the y, which equivalent to 2y, then this will become 9x plus 18, right? So, divided by 2, divided by 2. So, both divided by 2. So, y will become 9 over 2x. And then, 18 divided by 2 will become 9, right? And we know that our m will be 9 and 2. So, y is equals to mx plus b. Guys, take note. So, this is our m. And this is our b-intercept, which is the 9. So, b is 9. And then, what will be the tangent? If this is our, let's try to graph this one. And this is 9. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 9. And then 1, 2. So our 2, we will get this one. Okay, sorry. Let's try to get this data or the angle data. How do we get the angle data? We know that tangent 9 divided by 2. What is our 9 divided by 2? 9 divided by 2 is equals to theta will become, this is already converted in degrees, 77.47 degrees. So our data will be 77. 9 divided by 2. And then after that, 9 divided by 2 is equals to 4.5. So, tangent 4.5, we will get in degree. Take note, ha. Tangent 4.5 to the 1, and then this will be the degree 7.47. So, the answer is letter A. Take note, letter A. So, this is the given. Compute the angle between the lines. 9y minus 9x is equals to 0. So, the answer is letter A. 9 over 2, 77.47 degrees. So, this is our 2y minus 9x minus 18 is equals to 0. So, this is our line. And this is the 2 and 9. Yan, this is 2 and 9. Okay, 156. What is the slope of a line if the given is 4 and 6 and 5 and 7? What is the slope? So, slope is equals to m, y minus 2, y minus 1, x of 2, x of 1. So, we have 4, 6, and then 5 and 7. So, y is of 2, this one, and then x of 2, this one. And then y is of 1, and then x of 1. So, we just only substitute 7 minus 6, and then we have 5 minus 4. So, 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 4 is also 1. So, 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1. So, our m will be equal to 1. So, the best answer is letter B. So, take note guys, letter V. This is 156. Okay, 157. Reduce the fraction to the lowest term, ax minus ay divided by 2x minus 2y. So, our given is ax minus ay. So, we need to get the factor. So, what will be the factor? A, x minus y, and then after that, we have 2x minus y. So, we will cancel and cancel this one, and the remaining will be a over 2. So, our answer is letter B. Okay, let's proceed for 158. Let's proceed for 158. And we will erase this one. 158. A boy is 2 years more than twice as old as his brother. The sum of their ages is 9 years old more than the age of their sister. If the sister is 3 younger than the older brother, find the age of them. So, again, how do we solve for this one? For the age problem. Number 1, we have, let's try to have, let x be the age of the younger brother. So, let x younger brother. This is the younger brother. And then we have 2x. Take note, twice as old as his brother. So, 2x plus 2 will be the older brother. And then, how about the sister? So, 3 years younger than the older boy. So, we have 2x plus 2 minus 3. So, this is the age of the sister. Okay, how do we solve for this one? So, again, let's try to add. So, x for the age of younger brother plus 2x, the older brother, 2x plus 2. And then is equals to, if the sister is 3 years younger than the older boy, so we have 2x plus 2 quantity, so 3. So minus 3, 3 years, and then after that, we have the plus 9. And then, we will proceed for this one. So x plus 2x, we have 3x plus 2. And then, after that, we have 3 plus 6. Negative 3 plus 6 will become 6. So, 2x plus 2. Right? And the answer is 2x plus 8. And then 3x plus 2. How do we get the value of x? Again, we have this one. This will become 3x minus 2x. Transpose, and then 8 minus 2. And then x will become 6. So this will be the age of the younger brother. And then, what will be the age? So, let's have this one. Substitute the value of 6. 2 times 6 plus 2. This will be the age of her older brother or older boy's age. So, the other one will be his sister. So, what will be the age of his sister? 2 times 6 plus 2 minus 3. So, 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 will become 14. And the answer is 11. So, this will be the sister age. Sister age. And the other one is his older boy. This is the older boy or older brother. So, we have the answer of 6, 11, and 14. This is the age of the younger brother. Six, 11, and 14. So, our answer is letter A. Take note, letter A. So, this will be the answer, letter A. Let's proceed for 159.